Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have some mirrors here that I'm going to be doing a quick and easy project with. These are pretty much a total of 6. Just jump in. I'm going to go ahead and remove the mirror from the frame. These little studs that's on the back, you can actually remove these or you can leave them. Voila. So I left 2 mirrors out because these are the ones going to the top. I removed these. Now these little tabs or little pegs or studs that's in the back of the mirror, like I said, you can take them out or you can just bend them all the way inwards facing the mirror part. That way you don't stretch your wall or have the project uneven. You want to do this with all of them. Okay, I'm going to place this one down and I'm going to start off forming my frame together. I want to make sure they're flat because they will stick up. So this is the look that I'm going for. Now, I could get out of line a little bit, so I want to make sure it's even. And this is exactly how I want it to look. So I'm going to be using my hot glue to glue these down. I thought about my E6000, but the last project that I did, I used E6000 on my frames and it actually melted the frame. So I want to just use my hot glue this time. Make sure it's very even. And I'm going to add glue in the corners. Okay, just press it down, hold it until it seals. Okay, I'm gonna move it aside and I'm gonna start on my other one. Now right here, I'm just gonna add a dab. That way I have all 4 corners sealed. I'm going to turn on the back. I'm also be gluing this as well. Oops. Okay, start on the next one. I'll repeat the same process. Alright guys, they're finished. If y'all enjoy this short DIY, like, comment, share, also subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, they're ready for hanging. Guys, if y'all would like to see more videos like this, please hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a video. And for y'all that's out there that has already subscribed to the channel, thank you, and for the returning. And guys, I've showed y'all different styles to place the mirrors. So, as always, I'm wishing you all love, peace, and happiness. Bye.